Hello everyone. Welcome back to rizatgraphics. In this tutorial, you will learn to create this. So, let's get started. Open Adobe After Effects. Then create a new composition. Rename it to the disco ball or whatever you like. Set the resolutions to 1920 by 1080 pixels. 30 frames per second. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Go to the Layer menu, then create a solid layer. Rename it to the noise. Go to Effects and Presets. And search for the effect of fractal noise. Drag and drop to the solid layer. Change the noise type to block. Change the complexity to 1. Then hold the Alt key on the keyboard. And click the evolution stopwatch icon to add an expression. Then type time multiplied by 200. Let's see the preview. Looks perfect to me. Right-click here. Then New. And select the solid. Rename it to the gradient. Right-click on the gradient layer. Then go to the layer style. And choose Gradient Overlay. Go under the Gradient Overlay properties. Then click on Edit Gradient. Select the little box. And choose the red color. Click here to add another color. And choose a different color. Let me do it faster to save your time. Change the angle to 50 degrees. Right-click on the gradient layer, and choose Pre-compose. Then change the layer mode from normal to overlay. Let's see the results. Perfect. Select the noise layer. Go to the settings. And select the invert. Right-click here. Then New. And select the solid. Rename it to the grid. Go to Effects and Presets. And search the effect grid. Drag and drop to the grid layer. And slightly drag the little circles to make a perfect square. Let's change the grid color to the black. Let's preview it. Looks good to me. It's time to turn these layers into the sphere. So, select all layers. Right-click. And choose Pre-compose. Rename it to the disco ball build. Go to Effects and Presets. And search the effect CC Sphere. Drag and drop to the disco ball composition. Change the radius amount to 350. Go under the light. Change the light height to 100. Go under the rotation. Then hold the Alt key on the keyboard. And click the rotation Y stopwatch icon to add an expression. Then type time multiplied by 50. Perfect. Let's create a shine effect. Right-click here. Then New. And select the adjustment layer. Go to Effects and Presets. Search the effect CC Radius Fast Blur. Drag and drop to the adjustment layer. Then change the layer mode from normal to linear dodge. Change the radius amount to 95. Cool. Let's preview it. Amazing. Our disco ball animation is ready. You can create a better one by changing fractal noise settings. I will add the project file link in the description. If you do have any questions, or if anything that is unclear, please leave a comment. I will respond as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Good luck.